Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Today, I'm going to show you how to add beautiful social media icons to your Notion page using free Notion widgets. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to bring a clean, customized look to your workspace and make it super easy for anyone visiting your page to find your social links. Let's get right into it. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to flaticon.com. Flaticon is an awesome resource filled with thousands of high-quality icons, and the best part is you can get many of them for free. Once you're on the site, you'll see a navigation bar up top. Just click on Icons, which is usually right at the beginning. This will take you to their main icons collection. Now, in the search bar, type social media and hit enter. You'll see a ton of results pop up. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, TikTok, pretty much any social platform you can think of. Take a moment to browse through the styles. There are flat icons, colorful ones, even simple monochrome styles if you prefer a minimal look. Think about the vibe of your Notion page and choose icons that fit your style, like picking the right outfit for an important meeting. When you find an icon you like, click directly on it. Here's where you'll choose your format. For free users, select PNG. This is perfectly fine for Notion, and it won't cost you anything. If you have a premium account, you can use SVG for even sharper images with customizable size. But for most of us, PNG works great. Remember, you want the icons to look crisp but not slow down your page loading. Next, click Copy to Clipboard. This step is super important because Flaticon actually gives you a link to the image file, not the image itself. If you're not familiar with copying image links, don't worry. Just look for the button that says Copy PNG. When you click it, the link is saved to your clipboard so you can paste it wherever you want. Now, hop back over to your Notion page. Decide where you want to place your new icon. Maybe you're building a home dashboard, a portfolio, or just want to add quick links to your resume. Click into the spot where you want the icon. Then simply paste the link you just copied. In most cases, Notion will recognize the link as an image and automatically show your social media icon right there on the page. Sometimes Notion will ask you to choose embed image. If that happens, just click embed and Notion will do the rest for you. If the icon doesn't show up right away, don't worry. Notion can take a moment to process the image. Give it a few seconds. If you still don't see it, double-check that you copied the PNG link and not the web page URL. That's a common hiccup, but it's easy to fix. That's it. You've just added a stylish social media icon to your Notion page. Repeat this for any other platforms you want to highlight. This is a fantastic way to make your page more interactive, professional, and visually appealing. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or want ideas on customizing your icons even further, leave a comment below. I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more Notion tips like this one. Thanks for watching.